Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on another episode from Jimmy's Alpine Clock Shop in Riverside, California. Today, I want to show you a stunning clock. This is a 2-bell, 2-weight grandfather clock built in the early 1800s. It is from Holland. And I want to show you the clock case first, and then I'll open it up for you and show you some details. Stunning case. And if you look at the feet on here, the clock is actually quite ornate, but they have built animal feet on the bottom here, which is typical for a European clock. Now over here is the topper. You see it is also quite ornate. You've got the figural angels, you've got Atlas of the World on his shoulders. Gorgeous. And then this right here, I'll show you. This string, which some people know is a repeater on some clocks, this is actually to open the door. Okay? So now this is a 2-weight clock. That gorgeous detail on the front. It is cable driven. And if you see the cable pulleys right there, holding onto the cast iron weights and molded. The clock has original hinges, and you can see by the cracks in the wood it is quite old, as I mentioned, around probably about 1820. Now at the top of the clock here, once we get past this gorgeous scene, the ocean, you've got some buildings in the background, you've got some mythological gods, ships. So right here is the moon phase. You just heard the clock strike 1 at a quarter till. That lets you know that it is a quarter till. So right there is the date of the clock, then the day, and then here are the shafts to wind the clock. Here is the notation that it is from Holland. Again, the open scenery. Gorgeous hand painting. Now the 2-bell mechanism on this clock, on the hour it will strike what time it is, so it just will be striking at 12 o'clock. Then at a quarter after it'll strike 1 time to let you know that it's 12:15, and then at 12:30 it will actually strike the hour again, and then at a quarter till it'll let you know that it's a quarter till the next hour. So this is just an unbelievable example of an antique clock. Again, this one is from Holland. I'll shut the door so you can see the gorgeous detail. The medallion on the center of the door. See the eagle holding the ribbon and the urn. So we did repair this clock, and it is going back to our client today. So we know they're going to be very happy to have this timepiece back in their home. So if you need any clock repair, please come on by. We'd be happy to help. We do make house calls for grandfather clocks and grandmother models. We give free estimates for small clocks, mantel clocks, and wall clocks, so come by. We'd be happy to help you out. And if you have any other questions, you can look at our other videos. We might be able to answer those questions as well, or just give us a call. All the information is below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified of all of the new videos. So thank you so much for joining us again, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.